So, you've been learning about the UK all week, and if you've done all the things we've asked you to do, the activities that Mrs Bailey's told you about, the game that I showed you, the activity that I showed you, then you should be an expert. So just to check that you haven't forgotten everything and all the information is still in your brain, we've got a quiz for you. Now, I'm going to ask you the questions so you can do the quiz just listening to me on this video, or if you prefer, at the end of the video, I'm going to put the questions ready for you to pause the video and do it like that. Okay, so are we ready for quiz question number 1? How many countries are there in the UK? So you need to write a number. How many countries are there in the UK? Okay, number 2. What is the capital city of England? I'll give you a clue. It's where I was born. The capital city of England. Are you ready? Number 3. Which country do we need to travel over water to get to? We can't get there walking or on a train or a bus. We have to travel over water, so on a boat or an aeroplane. Which country do we need to do that to get there? You ready? Number 4. Of which country is Edinburgh the capital? Have a think. I did show you just a minute ago. You ready? Of which country is Edinburgh the capital? Are you done? Okay, number 5. In which city would we find the Titanic Museum? It's a tricky one, that one. Have a think. Are we ready? In which city would we find the Titanic Museum? Okay, moving on. Number 6. Which flag has an animal on it? Which animal is it? That's an easy one. You ready? Number 7. Name the 4 countries in the UK. So you need to name all the countries in the UK. Okay, are we ready to go on? Number 8. How was the Giant's Causeway made? The Giant's Causeway in Northern Ireland, how was it made? I've been there and it's an incredible place. It's just amazing. How was the Giant's Causeway made? Number 9 now. In which city would we find the crown jewels? And what is the landmark that we would find them in called? In which city would we find the crown jewels? And what is that landmark called? You need to write 2 things for this answer. Let's see if you can remember. They're getting tricky now, these questions, aren't they? You ready? Number 10, last one. Name the 4 capital cities. Now, I think these are tricky because I know that children get mixed up between the cities and the countries. So now we just want the 4 cities. Okay, when you've finished, have a little look and you'll find out how many you got right. Ask your grown-up to have a check and then maybe you can test a grown-up and see if you're better than them. Okay? Alright, take care, bye-bye, and I'll see you soon. And here are the questions if you prefer to do them like this. I'm going to keep it here for a few seconds and then I'm going to put it back with the answers written on it. And here are the answers for you. How many did you get right? Tell us on Class Jojo and we can give you points and stickers. See you next week. Bye bye.